E4, yeah.
E4.
Hold on, wait.
E4 is usually this has gone faulty.
Okay.
But we just need to prove that.
Right. Okay.
We can test that.
Yeah.
See what's happened.
Yeah,
Some checks we did at the beginning. So first of all, you've got L's on there. Well, L normally means that there's child lock basically. It's in child lock mode, but there's an additional errors there.
Okay.
So first of all, get it out of child lock, which is, I don't know if you want to write this down on your display, but it's control number 2 and 4 to get it out of child lock initially.
Control.
I think it may be in your pack, but
2 and 4. And what do you just turn them together?
turn them together and hold them anti-clockwise, and that gets rid of the L's. So we've solved the problem with the L in child lock mode.
Got ya.
But we've still got an error. Doesn't get rid of the error code. So what we need to do now is establish why have we got the error for. Well, I know what the error is on this one, but this is how to go about checking it. When you first power the machine on, you'll get power coming into the board from the terminal block at the back.
Yeah.
To each of the boards. Well, that's always going to be there when the cooker's powered. You hear it click. For 30 seconds when you first power it on, you get power to here. Well, you always got power to here, and then for 30 seconds you'll get power out of the board to the rings, even without operating anything.
Right.
So it's like a little check you can do. So if you power that on,
Yeah.
you've always got your 240 volts to the incoming.
Yeah.
Always, unless there's a problem down the terminal blocks. This is the
Yeah.
first thing you would do. Have I got power in? So you put your meters on the board. Obviously, we know we've got power because you switched on. And then have we got power out? And you can see 230 volt. You hear it click. So it's gone off. We've still got power here. I should have. There we go. Still got power there. But we've got nothing here now. It's clicked off.
Are we always checking that one board,
That's
Rob?
Not that one board. No, it's the same for all three. So all three will have power.
It's got power
power
going
output.
each in.
And you can check it. You can check power here first of all, and you can check it there or there, whichever's easiest.
So it's coming out. Check it going in. Check it going out.
Check it going in. Check and going out. It might be because you've got E4 on 2. Well, that ring runs off this one. See there?
Yeah.
So that board powers just that zone there.
Got ya.
This board, it's actually got 2 neutrals, 2 lives.
Okay.
So that powers that one and that one.
Okay.
We've got E4 on 2 of these at the minute. Purely fact is, I've taken that power one off and that one off at the back.
Okay.
Wouldn't normally happen in that scenario. Could do.
Yeah.
But the only way they would go down both together is if that board failed.
Got ya.
But what customers sometimes do, the E4 might be on that one. And they think, well, so, I'll pay for an engineer visit. I've still got those 4 zones. So and then another ring might go down, and they go, oh, we've got E4 on 2 now.
Yeah.
So you need to know exactly what's happened in the scenario. If they went down together, you'd probably go, yeah, okay, it's going to be that. So you check your power in, check your power out.
Yeah. So do you know the first initial 30 seconds test that you do? Obviously, where you're checking the mains power in, and obviously we're waiting for the pre-consumer click. Would you ever not get if you didn't have power on the outlet side? Does that mean then obviously the board's
will be faulty.
The board's
yeah. So if you check it here and you've got power there,
Check each individual board then to start with.
check each. This is what I always used to do when I get to it. Just lift it up and it's dead easy. Turn it on.
Yeah.
Have I got power there?
Yeah.
Have I got power out? Right. We know the
On every
board's
one,
okay.
on each,
On
all
each,
three.
yeah.
On all three.
On all 3.
As Rob said, you've got 30 seconds
Yeah.
to do that. It clicks off then.
Yeah.
So just turn it back on again. If you run out of time, you've done those 2 and it clicked off, then just turn it back on again and do it again. Is that right, Rob?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got ya.
So there we go. So got E4 on 1 now. I'll put the power back on.
Got ya.
So
yeah.
that's what you're checking basically. Have I got the power to it? So
Oh, yeah.
this could either be no power to it, or it's just the ring's faulty. We need to check the ring.
Okay. Yeah.
So,
Can I ask you a question then? So this one's still disconnected.
Yep.
Okay. So that's the error.
That's the error. Well, it might be connected and you might have power to it. So if you've got power to it and it's still got E4, then you've got to look at the ring itself. So we need to have a look at the ring to prove the ring's faulty. Which a few little checks you can do. So you've got that one, isn't it? Haven't you?
Yeah, I have, yeah.
So I wondered I thought that was that.
No. So, yeah, it looks like that, doesn't it? To be fair.
What
So-
page is that on?
So first of all, just do a diode check.
Yeah.
So it should be blocked. We're using that symbol there.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it should show you on that.
Rob, before we so we're doing the diode check now then, Chris.
We have to take the what do you call that, an induction element? heating
Yeah.
element out. And
So basically, if you've still got E4 and you've got your power to the ring,
Got you.
you need
Yeah.
to dig a bit deeper just to
Yeah.
prove that it's the ring itself that's faulty.
Okay.
What happens sometimes is they might have a faulty ring, an engineer,
Yeah,
and he
yeah.
might move it from there to there, and they've swapped them all around. And then you end up with loads of errors. And they've reconfigured it wrong, and you've got
Yeah.
E4 on all of them.
Oh
You
crap.
need to have a look and see why
Yeah.
it's gone wrong. But
Yeah.
so the first check is just to do it, make sure it's you've not got no signal either way, so it's blocked
Hold on.
both ways. So that's blocked both ways basically. This is bad, but this
Yeah.
is good. It's showing good for this little test.
Okay.
So that's the same. So that's a bad one. You've got no signal, you see, either way. So if you join them together,
Yeah.
you don't.
Mhm. Got you.
Then you can check the little resistor inside here.
Okay.
So it's the little points. So little points here. Well, it's actually those two. But if you look
Show 'em,
through,
yeah.
there's actually a resistor inside there.
All right. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, we can't get into this, so we just do it from here.
Yeah. 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 I got you. Yeah.
So it should be 39 ohms basically. So I'll show you on this good one. Or round about 39. So you've got
39
Steve's got his
ohms.
phone in the way. Look. So 39. So that's a good one.
Yeah.
This is a bad one. Not got anything.
No reading.
No reading. You might get a
Right.
random reading or whatever.
Yeah.
You might get something random. So you got. That's why it's bad. That's why you've got the E4 error code.